Let's meet Maisan, a sophomore from Tewksbury, Massachusetts, majoring in nursing with a minor in biology. Not only is she running simulations in UMass Boston's nursing lab that's equipped just like a real medical center, she's also getting clinical experience at one of Boston's world-class hospitals. And she's treating real patients through an innovative community partnership. Maisan, tell us more.
Thanks, Alex. Hey everyone. Growing up in Massachusetts, I was always told Boston is home to so many amazing colleges and hospitals. So when I decided to go into nursing, I knew I would be staying in-state for college. And here I am at UMass Boston. UMass Boston is the perfect place to study nursing. It is only a few train stops away from all the amazing hospitals, and getting to go to a teaching hospital for clinicals is a great hands-on opportunity. When you're not at clinicals, you are learning at the Center for Clinical Education and Research. The center is built like a real hospital and allows students to learn and practice in real-world scenarios. There are simulation rooms that allow students to practice their skills on mannequins mimicking real patients. UMass Boston also has a partnership with the Hope House, which is a recovery program for people who are struggling with a substance use disorder. During our labs, some of the Hope House clients will come and students are able to safely practice on them, as well as learning their stories. UMass Boston is full of opportunities for all students. Over this past summer, I was a part of the orientation team. Being an orientation leader allowed me to meet incoming students and welcome them to our amazing university. I connected with many students, and they still reach out to me today for advice. Here at UMass Boston, there are opportunities that will help you to achieve your dreams. I know the skills I am learning today will help me to excel in my career as a future nurse. Thanks for listening to my story. Gotta get back to my patients. Now back to you, Alex.
Maisan, your nursing journey is fueled by incredible labs and deep connections to the city's healthcare industry. Nursing can be a challenging course of study, but with the support of an incredible teaching staff and your fellow students, you're poised to succeed. Good luck in your career. We know you're going to do great things.